Hi, in today's video, I'll show you how to enable Vibrate Mode on your Android phone. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Next, tap Sounds and Vibration, Sound, or Sound and Notification, depending on your device. Look for the Vibrate for calls, or Sound mode option. If your phone has Sound mode, select Vibrate to switch from Sound mode to Vibrate mode. You can also turn on options such as Vibrate for calls, Vibrate while ringing, or Vibrate on silent, depending on the features available on your device. If you want a quicker method, press the volume down button on the side of your phone until it switches from sound to Vibrate mode. On some Android phones, you can also tap the sound icon on the volume panel to change between sound, vibrate, and silent modes. After enabling Vibrate mode, ask someone to call you or send you a notification to test that your phone vibrates correctly. If your phone doesn't vibrate, go back to the sounds and vibration settings and make sure vibration is enabled for calls and notifications. You can also restart your phone if the vibration motor isn't responding properly. That's all. You've successfully enabled Vibrate mode on your Android phone. Happy watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more.